Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered how we, as humans, have managed to explore the vast cosmos? This is where the magic of rocket science, or more formally, aerospace engineering, comes into play. It's a fusion of disciplines, bringing together mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, physics and mathematics to push the limits of human capability in air and space travel. At the heart of rocket science is Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. This principle is crucial in the physics of rocketry. Rocket engines expel propellant at high speeds to generate a thrust force that propels the rocket in the opposite direction. But how do we generate this thrust? That's where propulsion comes in. It's all about designing systems that can produce enough force to overcome Earth's gravity and atmospheric resistance. The propulsion systems include the rocket engines and the fuel, which can be chemical, nuclear, electric, or based on other cutting-edge technologies. Then we have aerodynamics and flight mechanics. These govern how rockets navigate through the atmosphere and space. Aerodynamics focuses on how air and other gases interact with the moving rocket, which influences its design and stability. Flight mechanics, on the other hand, is all about the actual trajectory and control of the rocket, ensuring it follows the intended path through space or into orbit. But what about the harsh conditions in space? This is where materials science comes in. Rockets need to endure extreme temperatures, pressures, and mechanical stresses. So the materials used must be able to withstand these conditions while also being as light as possible. Every extra pound requires more fuel to lift, after all. Having grasped these basics, we can now delve into the applications and developments this fascinating field has to offer. So buckle up, because we're just getting started on this journey through the cosmos. Rocket science is not just about theory, it's about application and development. It's the driving force behind satellite launches that connect us globally, providing us with communication, navigation, weather forecasting, and Earth observation capabilities. Rocket science also propels human spaceflight. It's the reason we've been able to set foot on the moon and why we're planning missions to Mars and beyond. It's the power behind interplanetary exploration, sending probes and rovers to other celestial bodies, giving us a glimpse of the unknown and expanding our understanding of the universe. And let's not forget its military applications. Rockets deliver payloads across large distances or into space for defense or surveillance purposes, contributing to national security. Rocket science has indeed revolutionized our world, but what does the future hold? Just as the rockets soar towards the stars, so does the future of rocket science. As we look ahead, the prospects and challenges of rocket science continue to evolve. One key focus in the modern era is the development of reusable rockets. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are pioneering this effort, aiming to drastically cut the cost of space access and make space travel more sustainable. In the not-so-distant future, we might even witness interstellar travel. While this concept currently resides in the realm of theoretical physics and speculative engineering, advancements in propulsion technology could one day make it a reality. Meanwhile, the idea of space tourism continues to capture our collective imagination. The goal is to create safe, affordable space travel for civilians, potentially opening a new industry and providing an unprecedented experience for the public. The challenges are many, but the possibilities are endless. The future of rocket science is promising and its impact on our world is undeniable. Rocket science isn't just about exploration. It's a significant contributor to the global economy. The space economy is on a steady climb, with the market size of space launch services alone already in the billions, but it's not stopping there. This market is expected to skyrocket, driven by an increase in satellite launches, ambitious space exploration missions, and the budding space tourism sector. Satellites launched for communication, navigation, weather forecasting, and Earth observation are vital to our everyday lives, from watching television to navigating our cars. And let's not forget the thrilling prospect of civilian space travel, a potential game changer for the tourism industry. As the demand for these services grows, so does the impact of rocket science on our global economy. It's an exciting time for this industry, with new advancements sparking interest and investment. Rocket science, a complex yet captivating field, continues to shape our world and inspire us to reach for the stars.